A runner completes a 5-kilometer race in 25 minutes. What is their average speed in meters per second? In order to solve this problem, we need to first convert both of our given units to the units that we want. Then divide the units distance divided by time in order to get our speed. We were given 5.0 kilometers and we want to convert to meters. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So to go from kilometers to meters, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 1,000 meters for 1 kilometer. Multiplying through this, the kilometers cancel and leave us with meters. Solving this, we get that 5 kilometers is equal to 5,000 meters. Next, we need to convert 25 minutes into seconds. We know that 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. So to convert from minutes to seconds, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 60 seconds for every minute. Multiplying through this, the minutes cancel and leave us with seconds. Solving this, we get that 25 minutes is equal to 1,500 seconds. Now to find our average speed in meters per second, we need to divide our total distance by total time. This means that we divide our distance of 5,000 meters by our time of 1,500 seconds. This gives us the runner's average speed of 3.33 meters per second. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.